If you're looking to figure out whether Constant Contact or Sendinblue is best for marketing automation, you're in the right place. Both of these platforms are popular options for businesses looking to streamline their email marketing and automation processes, but they each come with their own strengths and weaknesses. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which one is a better fit for your needs, and I'll even recommend a better alternative that might just change the game for you. Let's start by diving into Constant Contact. One of the standout features is its ease of use. For beginners, it's a dream. The interface is very straightforward, and setting up email campaigns is simple. Plus, they offer a wide variety of pre-designed templates that you can tweak to your liking. But here's the catch, you're pretty limited in terms of customization. The templates can feel a bit restrictive if you're looking for something more unique or advanced. Next thing to consider is pricing. Constant Contact can get pretty pricey, especially if you're scaling up. Their basic plan starts at $12 a month, but you'll need to upgrade if you want automation features, which are only available on their higher tier plans. This means if you're a small business or just starting out, you may find yourself paying more than you'd expect for features you really need. And when it comes to customer support, while they're responsive, don't expect a lightning-fast solution to every problem. Switching over to Sendinblue, you'll immediately notice it's a more flexible platform when it comes to pricing. You can start with a free plan that gives you basic features and up to 300 emails per day, which is a pretty solid offer if you don't need to send a huge volume of emails. As you grow, Sendinblue's pricing is also more scalable, offering competitive pricing for both smaller and larger businesses. Next thing, automation. Sendinblue shines in this department. It offers robust marketing automation features even on its free plan. You can set up workflows, trigger actions based on user behavior, and integrate seamlessly with other platforms. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Some users report that the interface isn't as intuitive as Constant Contacts, and getting the automation flows just right can take a little more time and effort. So, while it's feature-packed, it does have a steeper learning curve. Now, let's talk email deliverability. Both platforms are decent, but Sendinblue has a slight edge here. It has a reputation for getting emails into inboxes rather than spam folders, which is huge when it comes to marketing automation. Constant Contact, on the other hand, has had some issues with deliverability in the past, though they've made strides to improve. The fourth thing to mention is customer support. Constant Contact wins in this area, hands down. They offer 24/7 support, and their team is known for being helpful, which is especially important when you're dealing with the complexities of marketing automation. Sendinblue also has good support, but it's not quite as consistent as Constant Contact, and some users report delays in responses during peak times. Lastly, reporting and analytics. Both platforms offer solid reporting tools, but Sendinblue edges out Constant Contact here as well. It provides more in-depth analytics on campaign performance, with options like A/B testing and real-time reporting. Constant Contact, while offering basic reporting features, can feel a little lacking in comparison if you're trying to dive deeper into the numbers. So, which one is best for marketing automation? While both Constant Contact and Sendinblue are solid options, Sendinblue takes the win overall, especially for its pricing, automation features, and deliverability. However, neither of these platforms is perfect, and if you're looking for something more advanced or efficient, I recommend checking out the free trial of the first link in the description. After trying all of these options myself, I've found an even better alternative that is more streamlined and effective for marketing automation. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your marketing efforts to the next level.